I've been with Flow for probably about 2.5 years. I started out as a porter and now I went to school for automotive and now I'm a BMW Technician. The apprentice program was part of me going to school and then evolving into a technician when there was a spot in the shop open. Having all of the final result was on me, which kind of pushed me to do better and improve in my skills as a technician. So something that made me want to stay with Flow is definitely the people that I'm working with. Anytime I had a question, they would always help me break that question down and rethink it. Where I see myself in the future is definitely in evolving my technician skills to hit that master status. That's always been a goal of mine. A piece of advice I would have for a new technician starting in the field: take the opportunity to watch the guy next to you or watch the master tech over there and ask questions of what they're doing, why they're doing it. The apprentice program has definitely helped me in my career and what I've wanted to do, and fulfilled a dream that I've had from a kid is wanting to work on cars, and especially in a luxury performance brand like this.